Hello guys, good day. We are glad that this international airport installed a new drinking water station. So since we arrived early, we prepared this coffee. Okay guys?
So, as an advice, if you have a long transit here, so you must prepare something to eat because there is no available restaurant in this arrival area. But if you have already this boarding card for your connecting flight, so you can go directly to the departure area wherein plenty of restaurant there. Okay guys? Now we are here in the departure area. The location of the drinking water station is located at Yotel Air Hotel. Okay guys?